What's up, beauties? It's your girl Tre'nae, and I am back with another video. Today I will be showing you guys how I accomplished this gorgeous makeup look to match my beautiful nails. If you guys want to see how I did this beautiful makeup look, then stay tuned. So I'm going to start by concealing my eyebrows because I haven't done that yet, and I also need to prime my lid. I'm going to do that with the Fenty Beauty Concealer that I have. Mine is in 385, one of my favorites that I always use to get my makeup look. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with that. Alright guys, so I just put the concealer on my lid, and with the same brush I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier. This is a translucent loose setting powder. Why can I not talk today? This is a translucent loose setting powder that I always use to set my foundation. I'm going to do the same with my eyelids. I'm going to use it to set this primer on my eyelid. So now I'm going to apply my eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the MOIRA Sweet Paradise eyeshadow, and I have used this before in other videos, and all the information on this will be down below in the description box. But I'm going to be using this yellow, the Promised Sun. You guys can see that, yeah, that one. And then I'm also going to go in with the Cutie a little bit later, but these are the two colors that I'm going to be using right now. So the Promised Sun, the brighter yellow, I'm going to be using that as my transition shade, and I'm just going to apply that on the center of my lid. Okay, and then right underneath I'm going to go in with that second yellow that I told you guys about, the Cutie. So okay, and then from this same palette I'm also going to go in with this Wonderland Orange, and I'm going to mix that color with this tan color right here, and this is the JUVIA'S Place the Chocolates eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to mix those two and put those right above. So alright, so now I'm gonna go in with this Summer Nights right here, this Summer Nights brown color, and I'm gonna apply that to the outside of my lid. And then I'm gonna go in with this deep purple color right here, like a plum, and this is from the Berries by JUVIA'S eyeshadow palette, and I'm just gonna apply this color to the inner lid. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. I'm going to be using my same concealer, the Fenty Beauty concealer. And yeah, let's put it. But look at that, you guys. That is so beautiful. Okay.
Hey, boss.
Alright, so I cut that crease. And okay. And then I'm going to set it with the same powder, the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Alright, and so from my same eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna go in with this white, and then I'm going to go back in with this bright yellow color on the outside. So I'm going to do white on the inner lid, and then this yellow on the center of my eyelid.
Hey, boss. Sample that, sample that, sample that, sample that, sample that, sample that,
Okay, so eyeshadow is finished, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and do my foundation, apply my blush, and then I'm going to do my eyeshadow and my eyeliner. Eyeliner and eyelashes. And the foundation I'm going to be using is the L'Oreal True Match. This is Cocoa C8 in Cool, and it is oil free because the girl has, honestly, I have combination skin. One thing, if you guys didn't know about me, is that I'm horrible at multitasking. So I'm just going to put this on, and I'm not going to talk as much. I apologize, but I'm just not that much of a talker. I'm going to go in and set this foundation with the same translucent powder that I used earlier. Okay, so I just concealed under my eyes, and there's a reason why I haven't done my eyeliner yet, is because I'm going to be trying these new magnetic lashes that I've never tried before, but the goal is to use the magnetic eyeliner that they provide, so I'm going to hold off on my eyeliner so that I can use that one. And I'm going to go in with my contour brush. So this, with my contour. This is also by Fenty Beauty, and it is in Espresso. So this is the Contour Matchstick by Fenty Beauty in the color Espresso. And yeah. Another one of my staples. And I have two mirrors, you guys. So I have one right here and one down here. So if you see me looking down there, that's what I'm looking at. I'm just gonna apply some on my nose just to shrink it a little bit, because since I've been pregnant, my nose hasn't really went back to normal yet. So yeah. I don't like the wide nose. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with my lipstick. So I am moisturizing my lips with the Burt's Bees Honey. Best lip moisturizer ever, you guys. If you have dry, cracked lips, anything, if you don't want anything too thick on your lips, that's me. I love Vaseline, but I can't do Carmex because I hate when it dries up and leave like white marks in between your lips, and then everybody like, hey, you know Dwight who? Dwight around your lips. And no. So because that's never pretty, ladies, we go in with the Burt's Bees Honey, which is my absolute favorite new moisturizer. And we're gonna go in and follow that with this MAC lipstick color. It is the E for Effortless 423. I love this color. I bought it for Valentine's Day to go out with my husband on a date, and it's just like this sexy deep wine color. So on my darker skin ladies, if you guys are looking for a great color, a great red, burgundy, deep wine color that goes well with your lips, this is the one for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. Alright, and one of the things that I really love about this lipstick is that it's not a matte lipstick. So it doesn't really like dry. It keeps your lips moisturized, which I am so big on. So yeah, really love this lipstick. I'll put that down below in the description box as well. I'm gonna go in with the Saharan Blush Volume 1. Or Saharan, whatever. And I'm gonna use this Neo color for my blush. Alright guys, so now I am done for real. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. As always, you know, your girl like planning her makeup a lot, so I figured why not just film it and let you guys see. So yeah, that's why we're here. Make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below and let me know what you guys would like to see. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.